Climate change is affecting rural communities with an increased severe weather events.
Due to global warming and the melting of the polar ice caps, there are high-level sea rise in the Torres Strait.
We've just seen the largest coral bleaching event in the history of the Great Barrier Reef.
Fires are burning when they aren't meant to.
The calendar, we can't go off it anymore. It's just a useless to us now because we have to freestyle hunt and gather and get our native foods.
It worries me a lot to think about the world that my baby's going to inherit. I worry about her identity as an Aboriginal person with all the destruction to our land and our culture.
Australia is one of the world's largest exporters of fossil fuels, and regardless of where you send the coal and gas to be burnt, it still contributes to dangerous levels of global warming.
My name is Marwa Johnson. I'm a Wirthi woman from Central Queensland. I'm a part of the Wangan and Jagalingou people. The Adani Carmichael mine is proposed on the western side of our country to be one of the largest open-cut coal mines in the world, smack bang on top of the river.
Hello, my name is Gadrian Hussain. I come from the Gulf of Carpentaria in a small town called Borroloola. They want to frack that country right through, and we're going to get affected by it if they're going to drill all around that. All our riverbeds going to be contaminated because we all heard about the fracking already. We know about it. We've been experiencing it already from Queensland and across America, and all that gas going to come up underground and get into our riverbeds underneath and come up to our drinking water. Turn a tap on, we get a flame on our taps.
My name is Conrad Rory. I'm from Borroloola, which is in the Northern Territory. My message to you guys is don't say yes to fracking because it's really bad for your country, bad for your health, and it's bad for the environment.
Because we know how important it is to stand up and protect country. As young people, we're going to go out into our communities, we're going to connect our communities up on our issues that are happening. We're going to work together and we're going to build a movement of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people who are going to stand up for country.
We're here for one reason, and that's to protect our country. It maybe have one meaning, protect country, but that word country, it's got everything behind it. And that is what means a lot to us. That's our culture, our food is on our land, our water is on our land, and the songs that we keep in our heart and in our minds when we've been taught is what represent our country.
Who better to stand in solidarity with other mob than us, young blackfellas? We are the people that we have been waiting for.
I'm saying no to Adani, I'm saying no to climate change, I'm saying no to losing my culture.
We don't want mining industries within our communities or around our communities. If the land is poisoned, then so are we.
We want climate justice now. We don't want to keep wrecking our country. They want a voice, let's give them a voice. Let's scream it out loud here and now.
My name is Nayuka Gori. I'm a Gunai Kurnai, Gunditjmara, Wiradjuri and Yorta Yorta woman. I'm going to do whatever it takes to protect my country.
Stand together with thousands of people all across the country and take action with us at protectcountry.org.au.